Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 15th, 2025, we're analyzing AUDUSD, covering both news and charts to give you a comprehensive outlook. Let's start with current events. Recent reports indicate downside pressure on AUDUSD, briefly dipping below 0.6400. Analysts suggest further advances are possible above 0.6410, but the pair faces resistance at 0.6514 and 0.6687. Support levels are at 0.6322 and 0.6294. News suggests potential RBA rate cuts and U.S.-China trade uncertainty are major factors. It's important to note that the RBA is currently maintaining a cash rate of 4.1%, citing persistent inflation and a tight labor market, creating a divergence with the Federal Reserve's stance. Now, let's transition to the charts to see how these factors are reflected in price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe recent price movements and identify potential support and resistance levels. Notice how the price has fluctuated within a specific range, indicating a period of consolidation. Now, let's narrow our focus to a more recent timeframe to get a clearer picture of the current market dynamics. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price action. The recent candles show some volatility, but it's a bit more clearer than in the daily chart. We will use this to determine the next support and resistance to look at. Now let's focus even more on current-day market data so we can get an even more clear short-term view by switching to the 15-minute chart. Recent support has formed around 0.6354 while resistance seems to appear around 0.6499. If prices break down past support, then it is reasonable to say the new support may be 0.6024, and if it breaks the resistance, the new resistance would be 0.6586. The long-term prospects are difficult to tell. It is likely we will see a RBA rate cut in the near future, which may trigger a bearish outlook. This would be reinforced if U.S.-China trade relations continue to deteriorate. For a short-term bullish outlook, keep your eye on if prices can maintain above 0.6499. If this happens, the overall yearly outlook may turn bullish and could be reinforced if the China economy improves.